Good day everyone. In this part, we will tackle about segmentation. Segmentation is a memory management technique that divides a process into multiple segments, where each segment represents a logical unit of the program, unlike paging, which divides memory into fixed-size blocks. Segmentation allows variable size division based on the structure of the program, such as good, data, and stack segments. Each segment is assigned a unique segment number, and a segment table is used to keep track of the base address and length of each segment. When a program accesses memory, the system uses the segment number to locate the corresponding segment and the offset within the segment to find the exact memory location. So, how segment works? First, the program is divided into segments: good, data, stack. Second, a segment table stores information about each segment, including its base address and size. Third, when a process accesses memory, the operating system checks the memories table and translates the logical address, segment number plus offset, into a physical address. So in my own perspective, ang segmentation ay isang technique na hinati ang isang program sa logical segments, tulad ng code, data, at stack. Hindi ito tulad ng paging na fixed size, dahil variable size ang segments batay sa program structure. May segment na naglalaman ng base address at laki ng bawat segment. Kapag may memory access, tinitignan ng OS ang segment table para i-convert ang logical address, segment number plus offset sa physical address. Dahil mas organisado, mas madaling ma-manage ang memory at maiwasan ang fragmentation. Mas flexible ito kaysa paging, lalo na sa mga system na may complex data structure. Yun lang po.
So in this topic, we will tackle about what is introducing memory allocation strategies. So an operating system or OS uses memory allocation mechanism to control how memory is allotted to processes. These techniques are crucial for minimizing fragmentation and making effective use of system memory. Ang isang operating system daw ay gumagamit ng mga mekanismo sa paglalaan ng memorya upang kontrolin kung paano ilalaan ang memorya sa mga proseso. Ang mga teknik na ito ay mahalaga para mabawasan ng fragmentation o magamit ng epektibo ang memorya ng sistema. So, bakit nga ba mahalaga ang memory allocation strategies? So, number 1, efficient utilization of memory. Prevent wasted and ensure processes get enough memory. The second one is minimizing fragmentation. Reduce unused memory gaps. And the third is optimizing performance. Faster execution by quickly allocating memory. And lastly is ensuring fairness, proper distribution of memory among processes. So, sa madaling salita, ang memory allocation strategies ay mga paraan ng paglalaan ng memorya sa mga programang tumatakbo sa isang computer. Mahalaga ito para maging maayos at epesyente ang paggamit ng memorya at maiwasan ang pagkakaroon ng sayang na espasyo or fragmentation. In this topic, we will tackle about the first bit. What is first bit nga ba? The first bit is operating system employ the first bit memory allocation algorithm effectively handle dynamic memory allocation. It is frequently employed in this allocation and contiguous memory management schemes. Ang first bit daw isang paraan ng memory allocation na ginagamit ng operating system upang mag-assign ng memory sa mga process o program. Ang konsepto nito ay hanapin ang unang bakanteng espasyo sa memory na kasya sa hinihinging laki ng process. Dahil mabilis itong maghanap ng memory slot. Madalas itong ginagamit sa mga system na may madalas na memory allocation request. Ang first bit din daw ay isang pamamaraan ng paglalaan ng memorya ay isang mabilis at simpleng teknik na angkop sa mga sistemang nangangailangan ng agarang pagproseso. Gayunpaman ang dapat isaalang-alang ang posibilidad ng fragmentation at hindi optimal na paggamit ng memorya sa paglipas ng panahon. Sa pagpili ng tamang teknik sa paglalaan ng memorya, mahalagang timbangin ang bilis ng proseso laban sa episyenteng paggamit ng mga mapagkukunan ng partikular na pangangailangan ng sistema.